I'm Nurtan Bilmiş from the Netherlands, introducing my final project, Syntaxtic. When I learn something new, I prefer understanding the underlying reasons instead of memorizing things. And I'm not very good at memorizing things, so my solution to that was writing things down to remember most of the time. With similar approach in mind, I think that getting hands-on with new syntax can be fun and effective way to learn, especially when it involves typing. So I've tried to put together an app where users can simply type the code they see on the screen even if they don't fully understand its meaning just yet. I used the Curse library for now to get the app up and running in its current form. Although it's functioning, I plan to further improve it by using a framework like Django once I learn it. And I use a text file where I get a random line from, simply. File itself has some lines of code pre-written from libraries like Pandas or TensorFlow. This is just for example for now, but it can be expanded to include any language or library or many files. Let me show you how it works. So this is the welcome screen. The app gives instant feedback, so the correct one goes green. Once it's done, you see your speed, but it's not just about how fast you can type, it's about gradually building a coding foundation through active engagement and repetition, I think. Let's see one more to see when it's wrong. You can reset by escape space, and then you get a new line. So idea behind this is to build upon it. It's just for now, this is how it is. I wanted to try use object-oriented programming for this project, mainly to get more practice, and because I think it will be easier to add new features down the line. Speaking of which, in near term I will be focusing on fixing existing issues, like backspace is not working properly. But more important, I will be interested in introducing a series of new classes. I think at least how they should work. That line of code will be actually explained to the user, and even maybe a code block example where that line might be used for the person who's learning. Later stages I might consider adding AI responses, maybe using resources like OpenAI API or Hugging Face. But that's my 3 minutes. Thank you for your time.